In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a select query in Microsoft Access. A select query is the go-to tool for pulling exactly the data you want from one or more tables without changing any of the data itself. Think of it as a smart filter. You decide which fields to see and which records to include, like customers from a specific city or orders above a certain amount. Let's start with the easiest approach, the query wizard. First, open your database in Microsoft Access. At the top, go to the Create tab, then choose Query Wizard. In the window that appears, select Simple Query Wizard and click OK. Now pick the table or an existing query you want to pull data from. Choose the fields you want to include by moving them into the selected list. Click Next. You'll be asked whether you want Detail, which shows all the records, or Summary, which gives totals or counts. If you're just getting started, Detail is usually best. Give your query a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Then click Finish. Access will build and run the query immediately, showing your results in a datasheet view. If you want more control over filters and layout, use Design View. Go back to the Create tab and select Query Design. Add the table or tables you need, click Add, and then Close. In the lower grid, add fields by double-clicking them from the list above. To narrow your results, add criteria in the criteria row for any field. For example, type Davao with quotation marks for a text match, or 100 for numbers greater than 100. When you're ready to see the results, click the Run button, the one with the red exclamation mark. Access will display only the records that meet your conditions. A few helpful pointers as you work. The wizard is perfect when you want something quick and clean, especially if you're new to queries. Design View shines when you need precise filters or more advanced control. You can also include multiple tables in a single select query. If those tables are related, Access will use the existing relationships to join them so you can pull connected information, like customers and their orders, in one results grid. That's all you need to get started creating select queries in Microsoft Access. Simple, clear, and powerful ways to find the data that matters.